Welcome students, today plus one botany bacteria topic. Let's enter into the subject bacteria. Bacteria is a prokaryotic organism. We know very well what is the meaning by prokaryotic. The well defined nucleus is absent, nuclear membrane is absent, and lack of membrane bound organelles. This is called as what? Prokaryotic organisms. Unicellular organism, the cell which is only one cell is present, that is unicellular organism. Ubiquitous, it present everywhere. The microscopic organisms only we can see through by microscope. So that is microscopic organism we cannot see our naked eye. The study of bacteria is called bacteriology. The bacteria were first discovered by a Dutch scientist, Anton van Leeuwenhoek, in year 1676 and were called animalcules. Animalcules means it look like a small animals. The Anton van Leeuwenhoek, he observed the animalcules in water. Bacteria, friends or foes. Foes means enemy. Have you noticed the preparation of curd in our home? A little drop of curd turns the milk into curd. After some time, what is responsible for this change? What is why it shows the taste is so taste? Why it is so taste? The change is brought by Lactobacillus lactis. This is a bacterium which is present in the curd. The soreness is due to the formation of lactic acid. Have you been a victim of typhoid? So typhoid fever. It is a bacterial disease. It caused by Salmonella typhi, one of a bacterium. So we can consider this prokaryotic organism as friend and foe, friend and enemy, due to their beneficial and harmful activities. Beneficial activities it act as a friend, harmful activities it act as a foe, as an enemy. Let's see about milestones in bacteriology. So bacteriology means study about bacteria. The field is called as bacteriology. C.G. Isenberg in the year 1829 coined the term bacterium. The Christian Graham in the year 1884 introduced Gram staining method, Gram positive bacteria and Gram negative bacteria. Then David Hertzberg in the year 1923 published first edition of Berg's manual. From this Berg's manual, we can easily understand about the taxonomy of bacteria. And Frederick Krebs, 1928, discovered bacterial transformation. In Krebs experiment, here he used two types of strains bacterium, R type and S type. Joshua Lidenberg, he discovered of plasmid. Plasmid is an extra circular DNA which is present in the bacterium. Robert Koch, German physician and microbiologist, he considers a founder of modern bacteriology. He identified the causal organism for anthrax disease, cholera, and tuberculosis. The experimental evidence for the concept of infection was proved by him, that is, Koch's postulates. He was awarded Nobel Prize in Medicine and Physiology in the year 1905. The general characteristic features of bacteria. Prokaryotic organisms and lack nuclear membrane. So DNA is a genetic material. Around the genetic material, there is no nuclear membrane. And membrane found organelles also absent. Lack of membrane found organelles. So genetic material is called nucleoid. Nucleoid means genetic material which is absent of nuclear membrane. Only this type of genetic material present only in prokaryotic organisms. That is called nucleoid or genophore or incipient nucleus. Then cell wall. The bacterial cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. It contains polysaccharides and N-acetyl-glucosamine and N-acetyl-muramic acid and proteins. Nutrition. Most of them lack of chlorophyll, hence they are heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition means bacterium cannot synthesize its own food. For example, Vibrio cholerae. But some of them are autotrophic and possess bacteriochlorophyll. So this type of autotrophic bacterium can synthesize their own food. Example, Chromatium bacterium. Based on the nutritional habit of bacteria, it classified two types, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Based on the autotrophic, photoautotrophic, example green sulfur bacteria and purple sulfur bacteria. Hemoautotrophic, nitrifying bacteria, ion bacteria, methanogens. Then heterotrophic, photoheterotrophic, and hemoheterotrophic. Under the hemoheterotrophic, parasitic, saprophytic, and symbiotic. Then reproduction. They reproduce vegetatively binary fission. What is the meaning by binary fission? The single mother bacterial cell is divide itself and produce two daughter cell, two new bacterial cell. That is binary fission. Then endospore formation. During the unfavorable condition, the spores are formed within the bacterial cell. Then the spores are developed into a new bacterium through by endospore formation. They exhibit variations which are due to genetic recombination, that is achieved through the methods of conjugation, transformation, and transduction. So this process is called sexual reproduction of bacteria. Conjugation, it forms the conjugation tube in between these two bacterium. One is donor bacterium, another one is recipient bacterium. Through by that conjugation tube. Then transformation, the genetic material, a transfer from the donor bacterium to recipient bacterium. Then that transduction process. So through this process, the sexual reproduction will take place in bacterium cell. The classifications of bacteria based on the shape, the coccus, the spherical shape, So coccus, the two coccus, diplococcus, then the chain-like coccus, streptococcus, then bunches of coccus, staphylococcus. Then bacillus, corynebacteria, then spiral shape, spirillum, spirilla, spirochete, then vibrio. So based on the shape, cocci, bacillus, spirochetus, vibrios, spirilla. Then classification based on their flagella. Flagella is a locomotive organ of bacterium. So based on the presence of flagella, it classified atrichus. Atrichus means absence of flagella, the surface of bacteria. It's known as atrichus. Only one flagella is present at one end. It's called as monotrichus. The cluster of flagella is present at one end is called as lophotrichus. The single flagella is present at both ends. It's called as amphitrichus. All over the surface of bacterium, the flagella is present. That is called as peritrichus. Then amphilopotrichus. Amphitrichus means the both end flagellum is present. Lophotrichus means the clusters of flagellum is present. The same, these arrangements are here. Amphilopotrichus. So based on the flagellum arrangement, atrichus, monotrichus, lophotrichus, amphitrichus, peritrichus, amphilopotrichus. Thank you for watching.